Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So you have already created your account. Now it's time to fully log in. So in today's small tutorial we're gonna talk on how to actually log in on the Vinted platform. It doesn't really matter if you are on Android, iOS, desktop, same steps. So let's get started fast and easy as usual. If we are using an iPhone or Android, we should go through the App Store or Google Play to download our app. It's called Vinted. After this, go all the way to tap it. They're gonna show you a login screen. Enter both your email address and password, then tap on login. Otherwise, we will be using the website. So I'm gonna tap on the website, come all the way to this dashboard. I'm gonna tap on sign up and login. So now I have more than 3 options. Either you continue with Google, Apple, Facebook, or use your own email. So when you use your email, you can tap your username here and password. After this, tap on continue, then they're gonna take you automatically to your account and basically your platform of selling, buying, all of this information about you. You can even use this sign up with Google. All we're gonna do is tap on this, then it will take you automatically to that new window, or we can open even a new one. It all depends on you. Sign up, login, do these same steps, or tap on sell now to become a seller automatically. It all depends on you. So that's it, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.